guys, my name's Michael. I started this channel to show you guys my van build. I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm gonna build this van. I have never built a van. I'm not a carpenter, so we'll see how this goes. So I thought I'd just make this to share with you guys how I'm gonna do this. I picked up my van. I live in Kelowna, British Columbia, Canada, and I picked up my van in Vancouver, which is about a 4.5 hour drive. Traded my car in, and now I'm on my way to Alberta, where I have family, and I will be able to start doing my van build up there. So yeah, so here's my van. Doesn't have any windows on it. Kind of going for the stealth look. Obviously, when you put a fan and solar panels on the roof, it gets rid of the stealth look. Not that this massive thing is really that stealthy anyway, but it's basically an empty box right now. I moved to British Columbia because of the gorgeous beauty that's everywhere. Found a waterfall on the side of the road here. It is so refreshing. If you're ever on a road trip, jump in one of these. Woo-wee. Into Canyon Hot Springs, so check this place out. I don't know what I'm looking at there, like that looks like smoke. Maybe it's steam. It would make sense if it was steam. It looks like smoke, so let's check this out. I got this whole place to myself. Pretty sweet. There's two pools. There's the hot spring and then this hot tub hot spring. I don't know. Cool though. Jump back in this unit. I parked in the RV parking. Lots of room. There's nobody here. Figured out a way to dry my shorts. There was a bungee strap in the back there, so they're like hanging up halfway. So that was interesting. When I walked into the hot spring, the lady, she asked me, she said, have you been sick? Have you been, feeling ill at all lately? Just wanted to make sure I don't have COVID. So they just opened up yesterday. I don't know, maybe I'm the first one in there. There was nobody there the whole time I was in there. So I had the place to myself. It's pretty sweet. That's cool. Cool. I'm on my own, so I'm running my own schedule. I'm running my own schedule. So that's cool. Here we are pulling into Hemlock Grove Boardwalk. I have no idea what it is, but we are about to find out. Let's check this place out. I don't know if you guys can see this, but there's like thousands of tiny little caterpillars hanging from all these trees. Bear Creek Falls. All right, let's check this out. sure how far down this trail was going to go to get to the falls. At this point, a little bit too scared to keep going. Way too scared to keep going. So I pulled into Golden and I stopped at Save on Food. Grabbed some something to munch on here for lunch. And for those of you interested, this is what I was getting for fuel economy through the mountains.